Good morning, class 10th. Welcome to your journal knowledge class. So, today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is lesson number 28, martial arts. Let us first see the meaning of martial arts. Martial art is a system of combat that is learnt or taught mostly with an objective of self defense. This art has various forms across the world and at times linked to spiritual belief or philosophies. The one who practices this art is called a martial artist. Children, in our today's video, we are going to learn about various forms of martial arts like karate, judo, aikido, tai chi, hapkido, and jujutsu. Terms. Number 1. Civilization. The stage of human social and cultural development and organization that is considered most advanced. Number 2. Self-defense. Protection of yourself either by fighting or discussion. Number 3. Opponent. Someone who competes with or opposes another in a contest game. Next, unarmed. Not equipped with or carrying weapons. Last term, scriptures. The sacred writings of a religion. Now let us discuss these various forms of martial art one by one. Number 1, judo. Judo is generally categorized as a modern Japanese martial art which has since evolved into an Olympic event. The sport was created in 1882 by Jigoro Kano as a physical, mental, and moral pedagogy in Japan. Judo also influenced other combat styles such as close quarters combat, mixed martial arts, shoot wrestling, and submission wrestling. Next, karate. Karate is a martial art developed in the Ryukyu Kingdom. Karate is now predominantly a striking art using punching, kicking, knee strikes, elbow strikes, and open hand techniques such as knife hands and spear hands. Number 3, aikido. Aikido is a modern Japanese martial art that is split into many different styles. Aikido is now practiced in around 140 countries. It is often translated as the way of unifying with life energy or as the way of harmonious spirit. According to the founder's philosophy, the primary goal in the practice of Aikido is to overcome oneself instead of cultivating violence or aggressiveness. Number 4, hapkido. Hapkido is a hybrid Korean martial art. It is a form of self-defense that employs joint locks, grappling, throwing techniques, kicks, punches, and other striking attacks. It also teaches the use of traditional weapons, including knife, sword, rope, short stick, etc. Next martial art form is Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a series of gentle physical exercises and stretches. Each posture grows into the next without pause, ensuring that your body is in constant motion. Tai Chi is sometimes described as meditation in motion because it promotes serenity through gentle movements, connecting the mind and the body. Last martial art form is Jujutsu. Jujutsu, which is also known as Jiu-Jitsu and Jujitsu, is a family of Japanese martial arts and a system of close combat that can be used in a defensive or offensive manner to kill or subdue one or more weaponless or armed and armored opponents. Children, now in the end, you will be surprised by some of the fun facts about martial arts. Number 1, there are many more levels in martial arts training than just white belt and black belt. And here they are. In order of beginner to expert, there are white belt, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, brown, red, and then at the end, black belt. Number 2, karate is actually a combination of two words. Kara means empty and te means hand. The definition of karate, therefore, is self-defense, fighting with no weapons. Next, many people consider Bruce Lee to be the most influential martial artist in history. Why? Well, because he is responsible for introducing Chinese martial arts to the entire world. And the last fact is, karate belts go from lighter to darker colors as you rank up, since Japan was poor during World War II and dyeing the belts were cheaper than getting the new ones. That's it, children. This is all in today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the information regarding martial arts. Now quickly answer these cross questions. Number 1. Which art form is used for self defense while saving the opponent from any kind of injury? Number 2. This form originated in Japan, where instead of using our own energy, the energy of the opponent is used against him to defeat him. Next, name the martial art originated in the Ryukyu Kingdom of Japan and uses open handed techniques. Children, now you must solve the exercise of the lesson very carefully. Follow us on YouTube for more of the videos. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.